Hello class, welcome to Anamika ma'am's classroom. Today my topic is data structure. In data structure, one of the most important topic is infix to postfix conversion. There are another type of conversion is there, infix to prefix conversion. That I will discuss later on. Today I will discuss about how to convert an infix expression to postfix expression. So let's start. Convert the given infix expression into postfix forms. Here is an expression which is in infix form. Infix means the operators are in. That means within two operand, the operator is in between of these two operands. So plus is in between A and B, into is in between B and C and divide is in between C and D. So always the operators in between two operand, then this type of expression is called infix expression. We are familiar with this type of expression only, but how to convert in postfix form? Postfix means like the name we can understand, post means after. So we have to put these operators after the operand. Like if it is A plus B, plus is inside, so we have to put plus after. That means A, B, then plus. That means operator is not in between two operand, it after the operands. So let's do one example, then it's clear to you. Here you can see plus, into and division operators are there. If there is bracket, then we have to do bracket work first. If there is you know that multiplication or division operators has the higher precedence than plus or minus. Multiplication and division operators has the same precedence. Whatever comes first, you have to do that calculation first. Like this, plus and minus also have the same precedence. Whatever comes first, you have to do that calculation fast only. So here plus, multiplication and division, multiplication comes first. So we have to do multiplication first. That's why B and C in between we have multiplication. We just put this multiplication after. So in infix form, operators in between two operands, and in postfix forms, operators are just after these two operands. So BC you write down and operator you put after. BC into is done. Then we have to do this division. So you treat BC multiplication as a single unit and D is a single unit. So you have to do BC into and D, then divide like this only. BC into you treat as single unit, and in between and D is there, and in between you have division. So you write down BC unit and D, then you just put the division sign after in postfix form. Now you treat this one as a single unit and A and this one we have plus in between. You just have to put this plus after. Like this, A, B, C into D division 1 unit, and A is 1 unit, and you just in between we have plus, and in postfix just you put the plus after. So this is our answer. Now let's take another example. Another conversion from infix to postfix. Here is a bracket. So you have to do bracket work first. So A minus B. So minus you have to put not in after, so A, B minus, and in D minus E also in postfix form D, E minus. So that is over the bracket word. Then there is division, multiplication and plus sign. So we have to do division and multiplication, as you know, same precedence, but here division come first, so we have to do division first. So division is between A, B minus is 1 unit and C is 1 unit, and in between we have division. So A, B minus 1 unit and C and then division. So AB minus 1 unit and C another unit, and in between we have division, so just put the division after. Now this side over, now two things the same, the rest of the things are same written over here. Now we have multiplication and plus. So multiplication comes first. So this is 1 unit and this is 1 unit. You write down two of this and then put the multiplication after. So AB minus C division is still this 1 unit and DE minus is 1 unit, and just division between these 2 units. So division you just put at last. Now this you treat as 1 unit and F is 1 unit. Just put plus, not in, just put plus after. So AB minus C by DE minus into, up to this is 1 unit and F is another. So you have to, in between you have plus, so plus sign you just put at last. So this is our answer. Now I will give you 10 years board questions infix to postfix, and only in ISC board last 10 to 12 years or more than that, only each and every year one question comes from this infix to postfix, and only infix to postfix come. Not any year infix to prefix or any other form come. So infix to postfix for each and every year. Then also for safety we will learn infix to prefix conversion in my later videos. But till last year only infix to postfix come in your exam, ISC exam. So here is the 10 questions I jotted down from 10 years of ISC board paper. You try to solve it out. If you have any problem, then you please write in comment section. I will help my best. Okay, then you practice it properly and write me if you can or not. So I want to thank you all for watching my video and support me a lot. Please share my video with your friends and contacts. Please subscribe my video as much as possible, and tell your friends also to subscribe it for more related videos, and like my channel. Thank you.